here in Queensland, Australia. So I'm in my art room and I was doing a big sort out, and I came across my box, literally after a great big box of these boom gel paints, and I've probably had them sitting around for 5 years. So I thought they've got to go, they'll be no good. 5 years they've sat in this storage shed, and I thought they'd be no good. But I thought just before I throw them away, because there's like about 50 bottles, I'm going to just do a quick little try and see how they work. And look what I got. Absolutely beautiful. And so I retrieved them all back from the bin, and now I'm going to do one on a proper canvas, this nice round. I think it's 40 centimeters round, or I'm not sure, I can't remember. And then I went in my cupboard to see if I could find the paint that the Shelly Art Bloom uses. So correct me if I'm wrong, if this is not up to date. I had written on the lid Shelly Base Pillow Paint 2023. So I'm not sure if it's changed, but for that particular one that I just showed you, I didn't actually put any house paint. I put the Boom Gel Stain Sterling White, but I haven't got enough of it to do a big canvas. But I've got it just now. I can't throw them away if that's the results it's going to give me. So I'm going to, I've put a lid on. I hope this lid doesn't fall off. Okay. I'm going to actually spread that around a little bit. I'm not sure if the bloomers people spread paint over their canvas first. I'm not sure, because I don't do it often enough. And oh my goodness, I must have had some black on that spatula, but that's okay, because I'm going to put other colours that'll cover all this white. But I just thought I'd put a coat on it to help the rest of the paints slip over it when I do the other effects on it. So if I've got my canvas already sort of slippy slidey, I mean, I'm not an avid Shelly Art bloomer, like I just I go for the easy way, and that is, you know, you definitely need some talent to do the actual bloom and get it all right with the ingredients you need. So I'm the no frills version acrylic painter, trust me. Oh, right, I'll leave that there for a second. Got to make sure everything is out the way of this spinner, because I've been caught out before. So I'm going to put my colour, basically, oh yeah, this is heavy. And I think the reason as well a lot of people don't, or I don't do it, is because it's really quite expensive when you consider all the ingredients you need. It is not a cheap. So by the time you've bought, and actually it's probably much better to do this particular art not on a canvas, is to do it on a a board, because it's heavy. Like the paint and all the products on it are going to be heavy. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna oh, that's very runny. See this, that might be one that isn't good, because none of the others were that runny. So I'll try another colour. That was a gold, by the way, and this is Pinnacle Sands, and if I remember rightly, that was really nice. So I'm going to try now the metallic copper. And this is runny too, so that might be another one that's not crash hot. And this one was the Bungara Brown. So these are an Australian made product, Boom Gel. So they're made to kind of bypass the step of mixing your paints with pigments and you needing the 2 other paints to go. Whoop, what was that one? Parrotfish green. Yeah, so you only need these paints. You don't need to mix any pigments or anything with the boom gel. So, and I'm not even sure if it needs to go on house paint. Can somebody give me a heads up somewhere whether it is or it isn't? Now this one's native violet purple. If I can remember back in the day, I loved it. And you're probably thinking, the crazy lady, look at those colours she's putting together. And you're probably right, because I probably will regret it. But that is very runny. Now I'll put a bit of the white. So I will not be throwing these away if they give me the results that I got on that particular one. So this is the Amsterdam Van Dyke Brown mixed with just Australian floetrol. And I wasn't even going to do that. I was going to use my... if I had a brain, I'd be so dangerous. I was going to put the swipe on my things. I've got to move everything out the way, be ready so I don't go knock everything over. Right, I was going to put my swipey colour on my spatula itself. Wish me luck, wish me luck. Okay. Oh my goodness. Hang on. Bear with me, because I don't want to. I want to. Not sure what's going on. That definitely, that gold is not good. I can see it splitting it, and the other one, when I did that little one, nothing split, so that one is not good. I'm gonna just do some whizzy woos, and then I'm gonna winner spinner. It's not come out as nice as that first one. Might have to go back and use those colours, because I really like that. That purple, I always remember that as being excellent. But it's that metallic gold and bronze is off, because it's wherever I've put, you can see that coming up, it's split the other paints. So what I'm going to do now is give it a good winner chicken dinner, spinny boo. Let's move everything. I'm just wondering. Yeah, I really think I should not have used those. Let me just try a few little ideas. Bring up some cells in the areas, those lovely. Bear with my craziness. I will use a straw. as happy as I was with the other one, but I think I'll try and stretch this out maybe. Oh, I don't know. Or am I better to spin it? I've got some lovely areas, but it's just not all great, which I'd hoped it would be. So maybe I better start again. The fly's trying to get on the merry-go-round. I don't like that colour through there. Love this here. Love this little bit here. Don't like this. Oh, what did I just see in my little thing of thingies? Oh my gosh. I just seen one of those things that Shelley uses, those big scrapery things. Where did I see it? I'm doing bonkers. Absolutely bonkers. I was going to scrape it and... Anyway. I'll bring you down and have a look at it, but I'm not happy with it really. Not like the other one. Very happy with some parts of it. I love all this. Look at that big worm. Wormy. Look at the drop off. That's really nice. That's going a bit wonky woo. It's this mess that I don't like. And definitely I've got to get rid of that gold, metallic gold and bronze, because they are just off, not good. So all in all, not bad, but I might try something different, but I'll have a think about this one and get back to you.
I'm hushing the dog on the chain. I'm running up stones on the edge of the bank. Rally the troops for another refrain. I sing this softly to myself.
I actually ended up scraping it and doing another one over this, so I'll probably have that video again soon, or it'll already be out.